Hello everyone, welcome people at home. In this crazy segment, 14 minus 9 which equals 5 times 14 minus 9 which equals 5. Now we have this problem, 5 times 5 which equals 25. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we have to work on the parentheses first, then work on multiplication, and at last work on adding and subtraction. So first we do this subtraction, then this multiplication, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this parentheses 14 minus 9 5. So we have 14 minus 9 times 5. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. We must do this multiplication first, then this subtraction. So 9 times 5 which equals 45. So we have 14 minus 45. So 14 minus 45 which equals minus 31. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Join the community, like and subscribe.